Hi guys! For today's video, kick a friend for brain rots. This is a new game in Roblox. You can play this. The game link is in the description. So, try this game. It's super cool. You will enjoy this game. I'm gonna show you how to play this and some tips. So, are you ready, guys? Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is the spin, but later we're gonna use this because I've just rebirth. I max it. So you see my power is 0, my money is 0. So here is the quest. There's daily, weekly, and limited. So this will be add XP on your season. Here's the index. I already collected them all. The normals. Here's some VIP. If I stay 1 hour, I can get free VIP. Wow. So this game is so cool. You have a chance to be a VIP. Here's some shop you can buy. Okay. Now, here's the base. This is my base. So, it's full of dragon cannelloni. My best is the ruby dragon. So, I'm collecting money so I can't buy weights. But first, I'm too slow. So, I'm gonna buy some speed. Here is the Deb. You see that cute teddy bear? Meadow Games. He is the one create this cool game. Okay, let's buy some speed to move faster. Okay, I just upgrade. Upgrade until 100 if my money. Okay, let's try to 100 speed. Okay, 95, 96, 7, 8, 99, 100. So okay, make it 105. That's better. Okay, we move faster now. So we can collect money again on my second floor. Okay, so we can buy weights for power. So times 2 cash. So you don't more money. The 2 times mutation. So no normal mutation you will get. You get gold, diamond, ruby, neon, what else? Void, galaxy, and rainbow. So we buy weights. Also, we have a auto collect money in the game pass. So I need this 80. So we're only in heavenly plate. So we're gonna use this, but for first, I'm gonna sell some brain rots. Then let's wait. Okay, I'm getting 29,700. Okay, I need at least 470 100,000, I mean million for to get in OG. So this is the Medo Games. He is awesome because of this game he created. Okay, some friends. Oh, we are in full server. Oh, that's cool. So here's the spin. It tick-tock because of the power we go up. I'm gonna spin it when we hit OG. The OG one is like the Dragon Cannelloni. Oh, look at that base. That is the base of the dev or the owner. It has rainbow. I don't have a rainbow. Okay, let's do some sweet. Let's see some quests that we can do. So kick 200 friends. So many. Kick 100. Oh, we can claim this. Buy 3 speed upgrades. So we're already complete that. Sell brain rots. Okay. Daily, weekly, unlimited. Already complete that. Here is the kicking season 1. So I'm on the level 5. So it's like the spin also. It will change the reward if you have higher power. So make a claim if you have OG maybe 470 million power. So you can claim OGs. I don't need the TikTok, so I sell it. So this is game so addicting. Look. So we just like what you call this, bring exercise the weight, pulling up and down. Okay, minutes. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Also comment your user's name because I'm gonna give away also a Dragon Cannelloni. Do you want that guys? So comment your user's name so you can join the giveaways. Okay, so we're now in 7.4 M power, so we need more. It's already 12 a.m. at my time, so I'm a little bit sleepy, but let's do this. Okay, VIP member, I'm a little bit close. Oh, the strawberry elephant. So I'm gonna collect money. I need the next to the heavenly weights or heavenly plate, the golden plate. So So I'm collecting, but I need more 8 trillion. So we're gonna need to fast forward so you guys don't be bored. Okay. Okay, we're now on how many this? 1.9. Let's make it 2 trillion before we collect. We collect that. So much better to buy the auto collect, so you will not do this to walk the money. So I know I'm the one who has the best base because I am full of dragons in the server. Okay, 1 trillion more. I can get the 80, yes. So I'm gonna buy the weights. Okay. We can buy the Mega Golden Barbell. Wow, it's Mega Golden Barbell. And now we're getting 71,200. Oh, it's much faster power. So I'm gonna pass. We need a 470. But this record, I fell asleep. So, oh, there is three plays. We're increasing power. So, I'm fast forwarding this. Now 400. So now, because we almost slept the power, I fall asleep at this time and continue the game when I wake up. So let's see how many powers I can save. So this is almost 8 hours of grind only using Mega Golden Barber. So we're now almost like billions. So we're almost past the requirements for OG. So when I wake up that time, we're gonna collect OGs. By the way guys, remember to like this video, subscribe. The game link is in the description. Play this game. You will love this. Also, comment your username so you have the chance to have a dragon cannelloni from me. I will give it to you. Oh, we're on now in 1.3 billion. That was so fast. But because I passed that time. So, by the way guys, in the rebirth, you're gonna lose your speed, power, money, and also the weight. So, before you rebirth, you should use your money on upgrading brain rods. And also, don't collect money if you are gonna rebirth. So, after rebirth, you can collect money to use it to buy the weights again. Okay, now we are 1.6, 1.7 billion. Oh, we're now the powerful in the server. And this time it's 6 a.m. In the morning, I see that I'm disconnected. So here, I continue the video. I reconnect. Then almost I have a 1.9 B power. So many. I'm so strong. Okay, I get the dragon, place it. Also gonna collect here. And the second, I'm almost have a 129 trillion guys. 130, 131. So many. I'm rich now. I wish in real life. I have the void crazy loan. Okay. Let's see. Do some. Here's the where you can enter code. Free reward. Let's see if we can buy them stronger. Oh, it's most 500 trillion. Next is, oh, the 500 trillion. The neon barbell. So here, oh, I'm the first place on the most power. Oh, the money is not updated yet, but I will be in the second place. And I'm the first place on the rebirth. And let's see some quests. Okay, we're now on. Oh, gee, you see that dragon? I hope we can get it. Oh, we get a 2 plus spin. That's alright. Let's spin it again. We get a 2 plus spin again. Next. Spin. Oh, 5.2 trillion. That's good money. Oh, we're almost. Oh, 2 plus spin again. My one spin has almost have 6 spin or more. 1.3 trillion. That's good money. Oh, we got the crazy lawn pizza. Ah, dragon. Oh, we did not get it. But we got the money. Okay, let's see. So this is normal. Okay. Stock uncommon. 5 more weights. Power is the number one thing. Okay, let's do some kick. I'm gonna auto it. You need 2 friends to unlock the auto kick, or you can buy it. So I have 2 friends in my server. Now let's do some kick. We kick Potati. Oh, look at him. And dancing that. Oh, we got the Clausino. Oh, it says bye-bye. It's so fast following me. I have a 110 speed. You can't catch me. So this is how the games work. You're gonna kick your friend to get a brain rods. Okay. Another Clausino. And now it's diamond. Let's see the diamond. Oh, I already get that. Mm. If you take 100 pence, you can get crazy loan pizza. Prime Shack. Wow! We get a dragon cannoli. Oh, gee. So this game, I'm gonna give you this. So comment your user's name so I can give you this. Also, like the video and subscribe. We're almost hitting that 200 subscriber. Okay, that's it. So, if you have more friends, you will be fun playing with this. To your friends also, invite them to play this game. Look at that run. It's like a ninja. Like the run of Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura. Anyone loves Naruto? Anime? So look at the place. Oh, another dragon. So look at this place, guys. It's awesome. Those graphics, nice. It's great, guys. Run, Pyro. Okay. So that's, and you see this? Remember him? Brainrot Lava. He is a super admin here. Wow. He has made a low gravity. Let's try to kick. If we can get some, I think Void or Galaxy. Oh, another Dragon Cannelloni. So guys, that is how you play this game. So I'm gonna make another video of this. Stay tuned of that. I will show you how to get rich, how to get more power. So if you want to know that, stay tuned for my next video. So that's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye!